Hi everyone, I'm Dan. Welcome to Geo Dan. I and various members of the Geo Dan clan explore Arizona one geocache at a time. Join me on my quest to get stuck in every cactus I can find, skin both my knees, tear all my clothing, sweat profusely, and avoid being seen by the random people that always seem to pop up out of nowhere. You know, it used to be that carrying a camera bag would help disguise your activities while you were geocaching. I think I'm going to use that again this time. Multi-use trails between the golf club and the HOA. Yeah. This is all gated community around here. I left my phone in the truck. What was I thinking? Whew. You know, this is not as much fun with just me, is it? Trying to decide how well marked this trail is. Found it. The sneaky part about this one is trying to figure out where to start off from. This is all gated community around here and golf course. I had to go back and read the description a couple of times. Think. I did some suspicious back and forth driving until I finally figured out, aha, I got this. Still felt a little nervous going into it though, thinking about taking up bird watching. So that way I can say, I'm bird watching. But anyway, I found it. Just hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment. That'd be good too. I'll see you in a bit. Well, here we go again. Next one says it's just under 4 miles away from here. We'll see how that goes. Oh, hey, I should mention that, I should mention, what was I going to mention? I was going to mention something. What was I going to say? Oh, yeah. If you're curious, there's a link to the spoilers in the description. Man, this is going to be so many little bits of video to splice together. At least I don't have a whole lot of travel music. Now, I don't look suspicious at all. Gotcha. I can't even tell if it's focused. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Wogun Hiker. Now, if I could just figure out charm steel setup, I'd be a happy Dan. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comments are welcome too, even if you hated it and want to tell me how much it sucked. I'll read it.